Hey there! Today we're diving into a unique problem that revolves around default move constructors with const parameters. This issue has sparked some interesting discussions in the C++ community, so let's explore further. In the solution provided, the key point to remember is that the defaulting of special member functions comes with specific rules and exceptions. The move constructor in question, declared as a const a and equals default, doesn't quite adhere to these rules. As a result, different compilers handle it differently, some accept it, while others flag it as an error. This discrepancy highlights the nuances of C++ language rules and compiler implementations. Now, circling back to the problem we encountered earlier, it's clear that the behavior of default move constructors with const parameters is still a debated topic in the C++ realm. Despite advancements in compiler technology, some discrepancies persist. So, it's essential to understand the intricacies of defaulting special member functions to avoid unexpected outcomes in your code. In conclusion, the landscape of default move constructors with const parameters remains a point of contention among compilers. While some may accept such declarations, others may raise red flags. As you navigate through similar challenges in your coding journey, remember to stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of C++. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Let's keep the conversation going.